Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. This is just a quickie here. I'm currently at Penrith. We have ourselves a rarity. We have M28 just turned up at Penrith when I was arriving at Penrith, waiting for my train to depart. Just a quick vlog for you guys. Final camera here, we have the 1058 of M28. Let's give you a quick walk down here. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, apologies about the low sunlight, guys. My train's just about to arrive, so it's time now to wrap up the vlog. I'm sorry this episode is so short. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now. V38 is the front forecast at V-set. Anyway, I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.